How to fix keyboard click sound not working on Android. Fixing keyboard click sound on Android is quite easy and simple. Just open any kind of messaging application. Here I have open notes. Now here you can see keyboard. Just tap on the gear icon for accessing the keyboard settings options. And here you will see different kinds of options. Just tap preferences. Scroll down and navigate or locate sound on key press, which is under key press. Toggle on the button for sound on key press. And you can also change or adjust volume on key press. Tap on it. Using the slider, you can easily increase or decrease the percentage for volume on key press or keep as default. Now tap OK. And when you go back and see whether the changes have been made or not, then you will see that we have successfully fixed keyboard click sound not working on Android. That's it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then the like, share, comment on this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.